Hey, my name is Mike. I'm a VP of Customer Success. I give Groove a 4 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click below. In the past, we've used different Salesforce plugins, even products designed by Salesforce itself. But what we're trying to solve for is creating a very automated flow for our account executives, for our salespeople, to be able to push different opportunities, different leads through the pipeline. Not all of what the salesperson has to do is manual. We want to be able to put together certain emails with scripts laid out in them that can go at a regular cadence. And also, even if it is going to be an actual phone call that's being made, having the script built into the flow, like Groove allows you to do, just makes it so intuitive. Makes it so that the account executive can focus on closing and executing in those moments when they need to, and letting the automation work for them. The reason why we chose Groove is because it does integrate so effectively with Salesforce, the way those two systems work together, and the level of automation that you can do with Groove. There are still some elements where the account executive is going to need to interact with the customer directly, and Groove is helpful as an outline for the conversation that needs to happen. But otherwise, so much of it is automated so that we can keep pushing those leads through the pipeline, regardless if there's direct account executive contact with those. Getting started with Groove is relatively easy. Their customer success organization is great with training. Implementation in terms of actually plugging in with your Salesforce account is easy. Honestly, different companies may differ, but I would imagine that a company should be able to get going with Groove in 3 to 4 weeks. The big piece of advice for those looking to implement Groove is one mistake we made is originally we would build out the outline, we would do everything in Groove directly in terms of structuring out that flow, and it's not very efficient. You can't think about it really effectively as you're building it in Groove. Instead, I'll go into a Word doc and I'll put together the different steps: email here, text, phone call, text, email, the different stages and the different language, whether it be an automated email or it's a script that the account executive is going to be reading as they're going through the phone conversation with the customer. But if I'm doing that in Word, it's so much easier to build that out and see all the different steps and understand it, and then later putting that into Groove instead of the other way around.